Hey folks, well, this is my son's 99 F150 with a 4.6. We went ahead and did a timing chain swap on it. So all the guts are new in it. The only thing I did was put the timing chain on, and my son done the rest. Well, somewheres he has something wrong. I know we have a broken wire over here, and I gotta figure out where that wire goes. I believe that's for the alternator. That's broken. We have another plug here that's not on. He has a broken vacuum line there, but it won't start. So my job is to figure out what's going on with it. The only issues that we're having for codes are, and we use Top Don as one of ours, is oil pressure switch failure. And of course, it hasn't been ran, so what we have right now, I actually got foreskin on it to see if it was a pat error for security, because if you notice, the theft light's on like this, then it goes dead. The theft light's not flashing. Of course, the ABS light's on. Battery indicator light, all the lights are supposed to be. Oil pressure light. So I gotta check and see if he has the oil pressure sensor unhooked. Wire is broken or something. I had him do the job to learn. Yeah, I'm 50 years old. I'm not going to be able to do this rest of my, for 100 years. Or I'm not going to be alive for another 100 years. Yeah, he's 20-something years old, 23, 24. He has to learn how to do his own repairs. So that's where we're at. We're just going to continue trying to diagnose this. Well, I'm going to start the diagnosis, see what's going on. He doesn't even have his power steering pump hooked up. Rack is not here. So I got a lot of dissecting to do. Would it be faster for me just doing it in the first place? Absolutely. But me doing it in the first place does not teach him anything. So that's where we're at. See if I can find the issue. Once I find the issue, I will give him hints to see if he can find it.